Hello and welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to remove markings from PVC pipe. I want to use this pipe outside to hang some curtains. And I've been trying to get the markings from the manufacturer off. I've read online how to use acetone, steel wool, and a whole bunch of other products to try and get it off. And the one that I found works the best was Goof Off graffiti removal. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the markings from PVC pipe. So you just take the can, shake it a little bit, spray it on the pipe, on the markings. You can see it's already dripping right here. Wet it up real good, let it sit for just a couple of seconds. Take a rag and wipe it right off. It does take one or two applications to get it fully clean, but it's probably the easiest I've been able to use in order to get this clean, so that this way I don't see the markings when the pipe is hanging up in the air. I hope this helps. Just probably one more application and I could have it fully clean. Again, leaving it sit a couple of seconds is pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please take time to like and subscribe to my channel for other helpful hints. Thanks. Bye.